Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how we can fade an element with a gradient in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I already opened a new page and I added the element what I need. First I need this rounded square. Just resize it like this, and first I did change the color to like purple. Then I go into this add new color gradient and already have this gradient square. I just changing the order of the colors and duplicating the second one, and I will show you why it was duplicated. Then I duplicate this item also and copy the picture what I would like to use, removing the background, just increasing the size like this. And just a bit. Yes. And now I just need to move my second item on top of the others. So right click, layers, bring to front, and just covering the layer below, and going back to the colors, going to the add new color here. Now I can click on the left one, the top one. I go into this transparency and remove the transparency. I just made it to 0. Go into the second one, and this transparency I just moving to like to 80. And the third one just a bit like 95. As you can see, just selecting all, increasing the size. Now the element at the moment, this girl, is faded with the gradient. If you really want to hide this bottom part, you just have to go back to the colors, and this one, the last one, just moving the transparency to the 100 means this portion is totally hide it. And we can use this technique, changing the colors, add more colors if we want to play with it. Even you can change it from vertical to horizontal or to the rounded one if we need it. But for this picture, I think this one is a best way to do it. I can show you, this is the final project. So now this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching. Please like if you like the tutorial and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.